Recipe for 300 churros. 50 packs churros. (18 cups of water). 1 kg butter, 0.36 tablespoon. Let the water boil. Add butter in boiling water. Slow down the heat. Let the butter melt. Add sugar 18 tablespoons. Add salt 1/2 spoon. Mix well. Let it boil well and turn off stove. Then turn off stove and add flour. Mix it well slowly. Since this recipe includes a large amount of ingredients, a large pot is required to mix it well. This is the perfect consistency to add eggs in. Add 1 dozen eggs slowly in mixer for first bake. Blend until you get a perfect consistency. Take second batch of butter dough in mixer. Add 1 dozen more eggs and mix. Let the dough rest for a night in fridge. Put the dough in piping bag to pipe churros. You start it. Heat oil. Fry the churros until golden. Take out churros when it turns golden. Repeat until all done. Now toss in cinnamon sugar dry mix. For this dry mix, take 2 tablespoons cinnamon powder with 1 kg slightly ground sugar. Toss all the churros in dry mix until all done. This is how I made chocolate sauce to serve with churros. Take 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chunks with 2 cups of cream. Boil it on double boiler until it comes in a sauce form. Now pour the sauce in sauce mini containers to serve with churros servings. Irresistibly yummy churros are ready.